Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Andromeda Through Gas and Dust. So what do we see here? Well, this is the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way, and an object that is easily visible to the unaided eye if you know where to look in the constellation of Andromeda. And in fact, if you don't look straight at it, but slightly off, you will see a small fuzzy patch there, which is actually this galaxy, little over 2 million light years away from us here. Now, it can be seen, and it's in fact been recorded for over 1,000 years. And the first recording by Al-Rahman al-Sufi made recordings of this record of this galaxy as something different than an ordinary star. Now, when we're looking at it here, we're looking at an extremely detailed long exposure. If you looked at it through a telescope, you'd see a little fuzzy patch. You would not see all the distinct spiral arms that come out when you can take a longer exposure of an image like this. This one, over 200 hours of exposure. And that brings out not just the galaxy itself, but all of the other gases and dust around it. Now, some of the material here is associated with the Andromeda Galaxy itself. That would be the pink color highlighting the spiral arms. That is hydrogen gas in star-forming regions there. And the bluish color of those spiral arms is stars that are formed. Those are young star clusters, lots of hot blue stars that happen to be present. Now, the other things that we can see here, there's two other small galaxies, M32, just above the galaxy, and M110 there as well. Now, these are companion galaxies to M31, just as we have the Magellanic Clouds that are companion satellite galaxies of the Milky Way. These ones will orbit around Andromeda. Now, what the really long exposure brings out is all of this red glow around it. The red glow and some of the darker areas. This is actually gas and dust within our own Milky Way. Now, normally it's extremely faint, and if you just take an ordinary picture of the Andromeda Galaxy, you wouldn't see it. But when you record the light for 200 hours, you pick out things that are much fainter that you would not otherwise be able to see. And here we're seeing the red glow of hydrogen gas, but gas clouds within our Milky Way, and as well as the blue clouds of oxygen. So we're seeing all of these ionized gases, but they're much closer to us, just happening to be in the same direction as the Andromeda Galaxy. And likely, no matter where you look within our galaxy, look out, you would see some of this material, because our galaxy does have a lot of gas and dust within it, and we would be able to see a lot of that, whichever direction we look. So that was our picture of the day, titled Andromeda Through Gas and Dust. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a cosmic buckyball. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.